At Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, we believe that beauty begins with confidence. Our Center for Aesthetic and Reconstructive Surgery helps you look and feel your best, with compassion, expertise, and care tailored just for you. From body contouring to reconstructive surgeries, each treatment is designed to restore your confidence and celebrate your individuality. From aesthetic enhancements to life-changing reconstructive care, our expert team offers personalized solutions that restore confidence and celebrate individuality. Led by Dr. Anshumali Misra, a pioneer in plastic and aesthetic surgery, our team ensures precision and perfection in every procedure. Rediscover your confidence. Consult today at the Asian Center for Aesthetic Surgery and Medicine.